Brooklyn, you nearly ready?
Yeah, I'm coming. Can't believe this is our first double date.
I know. So did you guys meet?
Huh?
Woody, Lucy.
Hi.
What's that smell?